How to find your CD key on Steam for Rainbow Six Siege. So if you want to find your CD key on Steam for Rainbow Six Siege, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Steam. After opening, you need to choose the game from your Steam library. So you need to go with the library, which will be in the top left on your Steam. And once you're on your library, you need to choose the game, which is Rainbow Six Siege. You need to just simply click on the game. Once you've chosen the game, you need to select the cogwheel icon, which will be on the right. And then you need to choose Manage. And from Manage, you need to select CD keys. The CD key option may not appear unless the game is already installed or is being installed. Alternatively, when first launching some older games, Steam will automatically display any CD key needed for further activation. But please note that some games may not have the option to display the CD key in Steam. So that's how you can find or locate your CD key on your Steam for Rainbow Six Siege. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.